Okay, this is yours. I think this was supposed to be in the show yesterday. Got pushed to today. Shout out Colic Toys. Colic Toys. What can you tell us, Will? You have set it up for us.
Yeah, so the title of this Reddit post is Honda versus Tesla. And it's a pretty short clip of showing the damage done to a Tesla versus a Honda when they hit each other.
Cool.
They go head on?
Yeah. And obviously
you sound excited about that.
Kind of see.
I think it's a miserable day for these people. Like, they go,
Wait, this isn't a test? This is this
I'll
is real
show
life?
you.
Mo's like, they go head on.
I thought they were testing it. Like it was in the
Hey,
safe.
Will, do they go head on?
Okay.
It's like a dirty voice.
I guess I should pay attention to the show.
Head on.
Let me ask you something, Will. Do they go head on?
I
Okay.
saw the first second of this.
So
they go head
the Tesla's camera system, basically the Tesla got rear-ended by a Honda.
Okay.
And you could kind of see the footage.
Yeah.
And then the person steps out and takes footage of the damage.
Whoa.
That's a surprise. Yeah.
So, spoiler alert for people who's just listening, Tesla got pretty much no
Scratches,
damage.
I would assume.
Maybe a couple
the
scratches.
paint is going to be messed up. But
Right.
part of this, too, is the front end of the Honda is hitting the rear end.
Yes.
of the
Tesla.
And the
Tesla.
Honda is like totaled.
And the Honda was the object that was moving, whereas the Tesla
Yes.
was the object that was planted by the looks of it, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
It was moving a little bit, but the Honda was moving way faster when it hit. All captured on the. But yeah,
Rear
that's how crumple zones work. It's the intention. Otherwise, that driver's taking all those G's.
Right. Yeah.
If his front end holds up. The driver, however, in the Tesla, that's quite a bit of whiplash going on.
Of course. Yeah. I'm sure that's not fun for him.
Other people are saying it's fake. I see some.
I mean, yeah, it could be fake.
I see some scratches there.
Yeah.
Well, you still got to take it to the shop. Because, like, a lot of fender benders, you have, like, internal issues.
Oh, listen, man, you gotta get that checked out.
Yeah. So
No
you might
doubt.
have some internal issues, but
No doubt. But definitely the Honda's in worse shape at the moment. It's going to need a lot of work. It might be a write-off.
it might be. It might not be worth it.
Yeah, might be a write-off. Crumple zones.